FTR cold start. Already then. Seems good, seems good. So what we gonna do today? What we gonna do today? Ha! Already done. Already done. On the road again. On the road again. Gonna try to get down to Kings Highway, the Highway of Kings, one of the absolute best roads in New York, one of the best roads around Rochester, New York. Got a little trip to get there. We'll get there and try to get some good shots. Thanks for coming along on the ride with me today. Okay, Kings Highway, let's go. He was on my dick hole for a minute. Okay. Oh boy. Okay. Okay. You suck my dick. You suck my dick. Oh man. I think this is exactly the spot where I always put a wheel here, so we'll let him get a little space. Woo! Yeah, there's no passing on this road. There's no passing on this road. Oh man. No, only in the right spot, you know? So we'll come back, Oh my god, man. Well, most people are trying to turn it into a fucking racetrack. He's trying to turn it, he's like driving like a freight. It'd be fair. Oh good. Fucking bye-bye. Fucking bye-bye, you fucking asshole. Well, it is scenic here. I mean, take a look at all the different colored leaves. It's a beautiful fall day in Rochester, New York. Gonna get some unique views of Kings Highway on the way back. I try to put my my selfie stick, Insta 360 mount on the left side so we can see more the center of the road. So hopefully get a better view of all the different curves, all the bips and bobs. All right. really just gonna get it down here, get a picture, and get my asshole back. Couple pictures for the gram, did it for the gram, hashtag Underdog Moto Mania. Like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube and Instagram. Hell yeah. Hell. Yeah. What the fuck are you doing? So that guy was gonna cream pie me. Gotta get used to where my horn is. Oh, thick thighs. Whew. That guy had a look on his face like, oh, I didn't fucking say you. Well, I fucking know. That's why I was gonna stop and let him fucking go through. If I would have went through regular speed, he would have fucking killed me. Hey, girl. Yeah, that bridge is up. Damn. Ah, shit. The question is, do I want to try to get it that close? Or this is probably... Honestly, no. We could probably squiggle it in there. Now, don't get me wrong. I don't wanna block no one's way. So I think probably. Oh, I don't like how I pretty much set it in the shade. Okay, so we'll see. Ah, man. Okay. So we'll go down Kings Highway. We'll try to get my selfie stick thingy configured. This tree tunnel is absolutely beautiful. I miss riding regularly in this area because it really does look nice. You try to get your head around this curve, but it's more blind curve. It's the hardest ones to figure because you don't have your eye on the apex of the turn because there's just trees. lot of stuff going on. Okay, second time using this Insta 360 handlebar clamp mount. It was pretty successful the first time. Let's see how it holds on this time. Seemed solid before. Okay. Okay. Oh boy. Oh fucking boy. Okay. Hardly got. Get yourself a real bike. He just cruising. Harley guy, what you gonna do? What you gonna do? Anyway, it's a nice day for a cruise. Give Harley guys their due. Not everyone's trying to drag me out on the street. Bless his soul. Now this is a beach queen too, but this sucker, it just don't vibrate like that. But anyway, that was test 2 of this mount. Certainly get an eye on it, see if it moved very much. No dumping. Okay, I'm not gonna dump. Anyway, I'm not gonna come down here and beat the dead horse, but that was just a little test 2 of the Insta 360 1X or whatever handlebar clamp mount. Let me get a feel on this. Oh yeah, I don't think that's coming off. So yeah, so pretty impressed with it. It holds on nice. So anyway, won't you like, comment, subscribe to my content? More FTR content to come. Love you guys. See you soon. Peace. Let's ride.